Hello children, in our previous class you learn about lesson Alexander and the horse. Now you learn about choose the correct option from the box to fill in the blanks and answer in one or two words and read the lines and answer the questions. Okay children, first you learn about fill in the blanks. The first one, Alexander's dash was the king of Greece. The Alexander father was the king of Greece. And second one, the dash went near the horse but it kicked him. The captain went near the horse but it kicked him. Third one, Alexander watched the horse dash. Alexander watched the horse carefully. Fourth one, Alexander turned the horse to the sun so that the horse's shadow would fall dash it. The Alexander turned the horse to the sun so that the horse's shadow would fall behind it. Fifth one, the king brought the dash and gave it to his son. The king brought the horse and gave it to his son. Okay children, next you learn about answer in one or two words. The first one, what did Alexander like very much? The Alexander liked the horse very much. Second one, how many people tried to ride the horse? How many people tried to ride the horse? The 3 people tried to ride the horse. Third one, who succeed in riding the horse? Who succeed riding the horse? And finally, the Alexander succeed in riding the horse. Finally, the Alexander was succeed in riding the horse. And next, read the lines and answer the questions. The first one, it is a beautiful horse, but no one can ride it. Who said this? Who said this? These words. Who tell The king of Greece said this. The Alexander father was the king of Greece. The Alexander father was said these words. It is a beautiful horse, but no one can ride it. Who said this? The king of Greece said this. And next, B1. Why did when he say no one could ride it? He said this because a captain and 2 soldiers had failed in the riding the horse. He said this. Why did he say no one could ride it? He said this because a captain and 2 soldiers had failed in the riding the horse. The 3 people also don't ride the horse. The 3 people also failed. Was he right? No, he was proved wrong. Alexander succeed in riding the horse. Alexander succeed in riding the horse. He brought the horse and gave it to his son. Who brought the horse and what was the name of his son? Who brought the horse? Who brought the horse? The king brought the horse and Alexander was the name of the king's son. Once again I'll tell who brought the horse and what was the name of his son. Who brought the horse? The Alexander father brought the horse. The king brought the horse. And what was the name of his son? What was the name of his son? Alexander was the name of the king's son. What was the name of the horse? What was the name of the horse? The horse's name was Bucephalus. The horse name is Bucephalus. Seventh, how did the horse serve the sun after he became the king? The horse served the sun by carrying him to many battles in many lands. Many battles and many lands. Okay children, you learn and write In this one, write now, fill in the blanks and answer in 1 or 2 words and read the lines. You write in your classwork notebook. Okay children, keep learning. Thank you.